accepted to host this flash presentation. I hand over the microphone to Shogh. Thank you very much.
I'd like to ask the panelists to maybe come up. Rebecca, you good morning. My name is Shogh, and I'll help moderate this morning's panel discussion, which will be addressing three angles of sustainability. First of all, I'd like to thank Sylvia for the wonderful presentation. Please come in. For the wonderful presentation she gave, which laid down really strong grounds for the rest of the conference. Sure.
Who sits where? That's the most important.
First time I do this one. So as we all know, the topic of the conference is growth or sustainability, and the implied question is whether growth and sustainability are mutually exclusive. And I guess most of you know that the main aim of the conference is to explore how not only they're not mutually exclusive, but are actually complementary. The purpose of this first panel is to explore three angles of sustainability with three wonderful people, great experts in their field. And first we have Rebecca Mesbah, which will be exploring the social aspect of sustainability, the gender dimension of it. She is a neurobiologist, which is turned artist. She holds a PhD in neurobiology and an MA in gender studies. She's lectured extensively in France and Holland, and has developed training programs as well in moral leadership for youth in Bosnia and Herzegovina, where she currently lives, and runs a small tailor-made furniture in Sarajevo. Is that correct? She'll be speaking about, as I said, the social challenge of sustainability, and she will be drawing on her expertise in neurobiology to draw parallels between the basic prerequisites of the sustainability of an ecological system and those for a social system, and why we should move from a Darwinian evolutionary vision of society to a more complex view which preserves diversity, interspecies relationships, etc. I suppose she'll be explaining what that means. Second, we have Shogh Satare. He now lives in Denmark. He currently works in Copenhagen for the strategic consulting firm Dahlberg, where he has extensive experience with complex governance analysis. Over his career, he's worked with a large number of multinationals, ministries and regulatory bodies on governance, improvement, etc., and has also been involved in civil society, working with NGOs and things like that. So he has a lot of experience in the field that he will be speaking about, which is basically how to achieve sustainability through cross-sector collaboration. How we do that, how we collaborate, how businesses can collaborate with NGOs, how it should be done, things like that. And lastly, sorry, not too long, and this is EBBF from France, who will speak about the measurement of sustainability. Why companies do such a thing. Obviously, we see that there's an increasing number of businesses, large businesses. Actually, 2/3 of the 1,000 largest companies have sustainability reporting, but it's kind of all over the place, and there's a lot of questions as to why they do it, how they do it, what motivates them to do it. Yves has a background in science. He has 3 master's degrees, one in aeronautical engineering, in technology management, and in sociology also. And he's worked in the aerospace industry as a project manager for 14 years, as well as working for technology management consultancy. And now he has just 2 years ago has founded his own firm, Ecofani, which is a CSR consulting agency. Right, I think I've introduced all of these speakers. And I'd like to ask Rebecca to open